Imagine a restaurant getting ready for opening night. The kitchen is fully stocked, the tables are set, and the staff waits by the doors. But before they let the paying public inside, they hold a soft opening. They invite a small group of friends and family to come in and eat for free. The kitchen uses these guests as a stress test. They hunt for the cold soup, the slow service, and the wobbly tables, while the stakes are low and errors are easy to fix. Skipping this rehearsal and unlocking the doors for a massive grand opening right away often leads to terrible reviews and immediate failure. The digital world works the same way. Launching a new mobile app requires a very similar kind of pre-launch rehearsal. Google Play actually requires this. If you create a new personal developer account today, Google blocks you from publishing directly to the public store. Instead, Google mandates a 14-day closed testing period. Before you can launch, you have to find exactly 12 real people to test your app for 2 solid weeks. This policy protects the Play Store ecosystem. By forcing developers to gather real-world feedback first, Google prevents broken applications or low-quality spam from reaching the public. Think of Google as a strict health inspector standing at the door of your soft opening, carefully checking the identity of every guest on your list. You cannot trick this system. Google spots the difference between a real phone in someone's hand and a computer program merely pretending to be one. Your 12 guests must be actual human beings. They need to be holding real physical Android devices, and they have to be logged in to established Google accounts. Diversity in hardware is also key. If all 12 of your testers connect using the exact same phone model, Google systems mark the group as suspicious. Testing an app on a single device in isolation doesn't show how it behaves on the thousands of different screens used in the real world. Google validates the physical authenticity of your testing audience before they even begin to look at the app itself. Once your 12 testers are verified, simply installing the app is only the first step. They have to actually use it. This chart shows the 14-day timeline for active engagement. Over these 2 weeks, Google watches to see how many people open the app daily, how long they stay, and how deeply they explore your features. Google looks for a healthy feedback loop. Testers are expected to find bugs, crashes, or confusing layouts and report them directly to you. You must prove you are reacting to this feedback. Developers are required to push at least one software update to the app during the testing window to fix the issues discovered by the group. Google treats these 2 weeks as a cycle of iteration. They expect you to find and fix problems before your app ever reaches the public. Reaching day 14 with all 12 testers remaining active unlocks the final, most critical hurdle. You now face the production access application. This is a questionnaire where you must document exactly what feedback your testers gave you and the specific changes you made to address it. Actual human reviewers at Google read your application and compare your written explanations against the engagement data recorded over the testing period. If your documentation lines up and shows genuine effort, you pass. You are granted full production access, and your app finally goes live to the global public. The velvet rope to the Play Store only drops for developers who can provide documented proof that they listened to their early audience. This is a heavy logistical lift for an independent developer. Convincing 12 friends to open a buggy app every single day for 2 straight weeks is a massive favor to ask. If your friends get busy or forget to log in, and your active user count drops below 12, Google denies your application. The 14-day clock resets to 0. This is why services like TesterBee exist. They provide a buffer of verified, real-world Android users who are committed to exploring your app daily and providing actual bug reports for the full duration. The next time you download an unfamiliar app and it works perfectly on day 1, you'll know why. It's because a dozen unseen strangers spent 2 weeks testing the wobbly tables so that the public didn't have to.